Did you know that vocabulary is the backbone of reading comprehension and academic success? Without a strong vocabulary, students struggle to understand texts and express themselves effectively. Vocabulary is the knowledge of words and word meanings. We will be focusing on explicit instruction strategies. Let's explore why vocabulary is so crucial. Explicit vocabulary instruction is vital, especially for struggling readers. By focusing on specific word instruction, we can help students build a robust vocabulary, enhancing their overall communication skills and academic performance. Specific word instruction includes selecting words to teach and rich and robust instruction. Word learning strategies: dictionary use, morphemic analysis, cognate awareness, and contextual analysis. The Freya model is a graphic organizer that builds vocabulary and conceptual knowledge across content areas. The strategy requires students, not the teacher, to define a vocabulary word and then list its characteristics, examples, and non-examples. Freya models can be completed in collaborative groups using textbooks and other subject matter materials, while the teacher circulates around the classroom and assists students. Semantic maps visually display and connect a word or phrase and a set of related words or concepts. Implementing semantic map activities in your classroom will help students, especially struggling students and students with learning disabilities, recall the meanings of words and understand how multiple words or concepts fit together. Teachers will find that using a semantic map, combined with explicit instruction and practice opportunities, is an effective way of expanding students' vocabulary and supporting their content knowledge. Word sorts. Students categorize words based on sound, pattern, or meaning, promoting analytical thinking about word structures. Realouds. Teachers read texts aloud, pausing to discuss and define challenging words, which models fluent reading and vocabulary usage. Guided reading. Small group sessions allow for targeted instruction, where teachers can introduce new vocabulary within the context of the reading material. Realouds and guided reading sessions are excellent for vocabulary development. They provide opportunities to introduce new words in context, making learning more meaningful and memorable. Morphemic analysis teaches students to break down words into prefixes, suffixes, and roots. This skill empowers them to decipher unfamiliar words independently, boosting their confidence and vocabulary. Engaging in vocabulary games makes learning fun and memorable. Activities like vocabulary bingo and charades reinforce word meanings through repetition and context, making vocabulary practice enjoyable. Displaying high-frequency or thematic words in the classroom reinforces exposure and encourages usage. The word wall is designed to be an interactive tool for students or others to use, and contains an array of words that can be used during writing and/or reading. The frequent exposure to words in their environment is thought to enhance students' memory. Daily conversation is incorporating new and interesting words into everyday discussions helps students internalize vocabulary. Story retelling is encouraging students to retell stories using newly learned vocabulary, reinforces word meanings and usage. Helping 3RD/GRDE struggling readers build vocabulary is essential for improving their reading comprehension and overall academic success. We've just reviewed several effective research-backed strategies tailored for this age group. Try incorporating some of the strategies in your classroom.